Hello guys, and welcome to Number 9 Farms. Today I have bought something that finally came and I'm excited about it. Bruce has already taken it out of the box and now we are going to talk about it. Yay! It's the Gourmia digital oven, air fryer oven, and what I did, it's got 24 settings and I did a lot of research. I didn't want any Teflon, but however I'm not too sure that some of the trays might have that. So to be on the safe side, this is how it came packaged, and this is where your crumb tray was. They had talked about that it didn't come with the crumb tray on the reviews, but however, I don't know if maybe they missed it in the packaging or the first models didn't come with one. Now it does have one, so it came in another box also, so you know that. So we'll move this out of the way now. And here we have it. So I'm going to take it outside to burn off the first cooking. So it came with the bacon tray. It came with the cookbook, a manual with all the settings, a crumb tray, which goes right down there. And then it also came with the air fryer and a rack. And I'm really excited to be able to use this. And the first thing we're gonna do is make some mozzarella sticks because everybody has been wanting to have those. And I've also got some chicken that I want to roast. Some of our friends, they have the foodie and the Ninja Foodie. So we had some of their roasted chicken in that and it was amazing. So I've been trying to get something ever since. Right, anyways, here's the settings it comes with in the manual. And you can see air fry, fries, wings, snack, air fry, vegetable, bacon, seafood, toast, bagel, waffle, bake, pizza, cookies, cake, slow cook, dehydrate. And then you've got warm, reheat, proof, roast vegetables, chicken, broil. And it talks about other things in here, some warnings. And then it also comes with the air fryer oven recipe book. So look at all this yummy stuff. Can't wait to try some of these potatoes in there too. So let's go ahead and get started with the first burn off. And I always like to do that just in case some of the chemicals or anything that was made with, that way it's safer. And then I'll wipe it out and get started on the mozzarella sticks. Thank you. All right, I just plugged it in outside here and I'm on my front porch. It's turned on, it's got the 10-minute timer, 400 degrees. And we're going to hit start. Guess I have to hit it harder. Can you hear it coming on? It's under broil right now. It has a nice little light in it, with the little light button right up here at the top. And when it's preheating and the door opens up, it does shut off, like the fan. And it has the frozen button. And of course, I'm learning here, so I'll keep showing you the mozzarella sticks in. And looky there, I put them on for 8 minutes at 400. I didn't even check the time on how long to put them in there for. I just kind of went with it. And my other oven seems to be kind of slow, so I have to crank it up a little bit. Not slow, but off. It's not exactly calibrated. So I always have to put stuff that's like 375 to 400. I think we have a good little thing here. So we'll let my husband and Colton try them and see what they think. Looky there, I've done put some of the Walmart pizza sauce in them so that they can have those with them. All right, guys, here you go.
Thank you.
And Bruce?
Oh, thank you. Can't wait. Let's see. They look delicious. Really good. Crunchy. You did a good job. All right, let's put some chicken in there.
Okay. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And that is the Gourmia digital air fryer user manner. Ugh. Okay, never mind. GTF7650. So guys, I wanted to show you the rest of the Gourmia. Alright, so when you first turn it on, it comes up like this. And if say you, whatever setting you have it on, so you want to put it on air fry. You see these 3 lines? They're here, you push that. Then it gives you a choice on what you want to use, like fries, wings, snack, vegetable, bacon, seafood. So if you want to turn the fries button, you just push the button right here and it keeps pushing, sets everything. It's pretty much got this timers all perfect set out, but you can change that, and by doing that you want to go time, that way you push the button in, and then of course 3, this button. Okay, now you want to do, say you just turn the timer for that. And there it's all set. You push it on and you hit start button. So now it comes on. Okay, so if you want to cancel it, you just push the cancel button. It's back to where it comes on at. Now we want to change it to toast. Here's the toast button. There is bagel waffle. And you want to adjust the darkness of the bread or the toast. You turn this button. Okay. Bake. Okay, you do the button again, and you've got pizza, cookies, cake. And you already get the rest of it now. And this frozen button usually comes on because most everything that you're cooking that's already prefabbed basically is frozen. So you got a slow cook. I have not used that setting yet, so I can't tell you much about that one yet. So I'm gonna work on that one. And the dehydrator, I have not used that either, as I have 2 dehydrators next door, so I don't know that I will be using that, but that is an additional function. Then you have additional functions here. You've got warm, reheat, and proof. So you want to proof some bread? All right, there you go. So now you got roast, and roast is vegetables and chicken, and this like cooked the legs, some chicken legs for my boys. They absolutely loved them. They think this thing is amazing. They've been using it to cook pizzas. They've been using it to cook all kinds of things that they like. The easy, quick teenage food, as I call it. And now you've got your broil, which I did broil some steaks in there for them, and they turned out perfectly. And air fry. And here's the button here. So you got your fries, your wings, bacon, seafood, vegetables. So I've done the fries. They came, everything has come out perfect. I mean, it couldn't ask for anything better. And like my son, he keeps cooking onion rings in here, and he's been using it a lot more than we have. And this is what the bottom now looks like. It's not coming clean, but we also don't scrub it because it's not a non-stick surface. It's kind of like, I don't know, like aluminum that's real cheaply made, but I'm not sure exactly what it is. But anyways, I'm gonna cook a pizza now and show you how good the pizza come out. And it's just a swan pizza, just a regular little pizza, frozen. I'm cooking this for my 18-year-old right now who's outside working on the farm. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead now and cook that. And that will be the wrap up of the Gourmia. And like I said, we really do like it. Now I've turned it on bake for this. I push the button here. And we have pizza. And it says 425 for 15 minutes. You hit start. And now it's going to come on and preheat itself. And then it'll flash across the top here exactly when it's ready. It's already preheated and ready to go. And sometimes I don't even use the preheat. I just stick it in and go and, you know, come back to it. And it seems to be just fine too. It's, you know, just watching it. Sometimes we've had to stop it 2 minutes or 3 minutes before, but it's turned out great. I just missed it. So it beeped and it is now set in the timer and the pizza is in. Pizza is done, so now it's time to take the pizza out and enjoy the pizza in a quick time. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.